Good morning students, I am your maths teacher Kiran Singh. Welcome to my class Maths Pathshala. In previous video we were doing BT questions of chapter 7. Up to question number 2 we have completed. Now we will do question number 3. Our question number 3 is express the following as the square of binomial and evaluate for the given values. Try to understand the question at first. Binomial means the polynomial which has two terms. At first here you can see 1, 2, 3. No, it is in the form of 3 terms. You have to at first convert in the form of binomial. It means in the form of 2 terms. Then you have to evaluate the values. Okay. See how we will do. 4x square we can write 2x whole square. Now here given 9y square we can write 3y whole square. Here completed a square plus b square, here given plus sign, so we will write plus sign. 2ab, 2 at the place of a, here given 2x, and at the place of here given 3y. So we will write 2 into 2x into 3y. Now we will use the identity a plus b whole square. Here see the identity. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now it is in the form of this, so we can write it in the form of this. So we can write 2x plus 3y whole square. Now we will put the values, whatever values are given here. We can write 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 2 whole square. We can write 2 to the 4 minus 4 plus 3 to the 6. Now 6 minus 4 equal to 2 whole square. 2 into 2 equal to 4. It is our required answer. Now we will do the second part of this question. Our question number 2 is 4 upon 25 m square minus mn plus 25 upon 16 n square. The value of m equal to 5 and the value of n is 8. Again here we can see at the place of 4 by 25 m square we can write 2 upon 5 m whole square, and here we can see written 25 upon 16 n square, so we can write 5 by 4 n whole square minus 2a 2 by 5 m into b 4 by 5 n. Here you can see 5 will be cancelled, 4 will be cancelled, then m into n left. So we can write it in the form of 2 by 5 m minus 5 by 4 n whole square. Now we will put the values. 2 by 5 m. Here you can write the identities also. A minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab. I am also writing a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here given 2 by 5 m. At the place of m we will write 5 minus 5 by 4 n, and at the place of n we can write 8. Here we can see 5 will be cancelled. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. Now here we can see 2 minus 5 2 ja 10 whole square. So minus 8 left, and minus 8 into minus 8 equal to 64. It is our required answer. Now we will do question number 4 also. Our question number 4 is simplify the followings. Question number 1 is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Here we can use the identity a plus b whole square, and here we can use the identity a minus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square, here we can use a square minus 2ab plus b square. Minus 2ab plus 2ab will be cancelled. A square plus a square, we can write 2a square plus 2b square. Here we can take 2 as common. So we can write a square plus b square. It will be our required answer. In this way we have completed question number 1. Now we will do question number 2. Question number 2 is 3x plus 7y whole square minus 3x minus 7y whole square. Again here we will use the same identity a plus b whole square. So we can write 3x whole square plus 2 into 3x into 7y. 7y whole square minus 3x square minus 2ab, 2 into 3x into 7y plus 7y whole square. So we can write 3 3s are 9x square plus 7 3s are 21, 21 2s are 42xy plus 7 7s are 49y square minus 3 3s are 9x square. Here we can see minus minus plus 7 3s are 21, 21 2s are 42xy minus 49y square. Minus 49 plus 49 will be cancelled. Minus plus. Now here we can see 42 plus 42, 84xy. In this way we have completed our question number 2 also. Now we will do our question number 3. Question number 3 is 6a plus 5b plus 4c whole square minus 6a minus 5b minus 4c whole square. At first we will write it in the form of a plus b plus c whole square. 6a plus 5b plus 4c whole square minus 6a plus minus 5b plus minus 4c whole square. Now we can use the identity a square 6a whole square plus 5b whole square plus 4c whole square plus 2ab, 2 into 6a into 5b plus 2bc, 2 into 5b into 4c plus 2ca, 2 into 4c into 6a minus, then we will write 6a whole square plus minus 5b whole square plus minus 4c whole square plus 2ab, 2 into 6a into 5b minus 5b plus 2 into bc minus 5b into minus 4c plus 2ca, 2 into minus 4c into 6a. Now we can write 6 6 are 36a square plus 25b square plus 4 4 are 16c square. Then here we can see 6 5 जा 30, 32 जा 60, 60 AB प्लस 5 2 जा 10, 10 4 जा 40 BC प्लस 6 4 जा 24, 24 2 जा 48 CA माइनस 6 6 जा 36 A स्क्वायर माइनस 5 5 जा 25 B स्क्वायर minus 4 4 जा 16 C square. Here you can see 6 5 जा 30, 32 जा 60, minus 60 and minus plus 60 AB. Here also minus minus plus, plus and 1 minus. 5 4 जा 20, 22 जा 40 BC. Here 6 4 जा 24, 24 2 जा 48, minus 48 and minus plus 48 CA. Now plus 36 minus 36 will be cancelled. Plus 25 minus 25 will be cancelled. Plus 16 minus 16 minus 40 BC plus 40 BC. Now we will add 60 plus 60 120 AB plus 48 2 is 96 CA. Now we will do 4 number question. Our question number 4 is A square minus B square, then A square plus B square in minus A square minus B square whole square. Here you can see A minus B into A plus B. We can use the identity A square minus B square. Minus sign here A minus B whole square. So we can write A square minus 2A square B square plus B square. Minus 2A square B square not to minus 2AB plus B square. So we can write A to the power 4 minus B to the power 4 minus A to the power 4 plus 2A square B square minus plus minus B to the power 4. Here you can see A to the power 4 minus and plus cancelled. Here you can see minus 2 B to the power 4 plus 2A square B square. It is our required answer. If you want, then you can take minus 2 B to the power 4, B to the power 2 as common. Otherwise, you can leave it as it is. Thank you students for watching me. In next video, we will do from question number 5 of BT.